Okay, so now I got... Okay, let's do that again. Okay, here I am. I'm gonna show you a zipper trick. They call it the pop top. So basically what it makes is you make the top of your Zippo lighter to pop. Basically you just are gonna use 3 fingers. Then you're gonna push. Oh, I'm sorry. You're gonna push your lighter like downwards. You know, your index finger and your middle finger is gonna push your Zippo lighter downwards, so that it would slide. It would cause like a direct the force to the hinge, which causes it to pop. So what we do is like this. Oh, let me do that again. My hands are kind of slippery. Okay, let me just. Oh, that's basically the pop. You just close it like that. And again, let me do that again. Oh, jeez. My hands are kind of slippery.